Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Here are my top picks for the best productivity tools that I'm going to use more in 2023, including ones for personal use, organization, work collaboration, and learning new skills. I split these tools into 11 different categories, including to-do, documenting, habit tracking, note-taking, time tracking, password management, communicating, contact finder, PDF reader, online storage, and learning new skills. Now, let's start with the best to-do app. If you're looking for the best to-do list app that works across all your devices, track your productivity, and helps you organize and analyze your life, Todoist is for you. Todoist makes app for all major devices and platforms, and it couldn't be easier to use. There is a pretty good free version, but the pro level is suitable. If you want an app that helps you stay productive with tools to organize your tasks, either alone or collaboratively with others, Todoist is for you. A big part of what makes Todoist such a productive app is that it's packed with many features but never overwhelming. The user interface design makes the experience simple and easy. If you are new to the app, it will take some time to understand how to use all core features such as creating tasks, scheduling due dates, adding comment, making tasks as completed, and more. But the more you use Todoist, the more depth and functionality you will discover. Best documenting, knowledge management, and collaboration app. Notion has made its place in the list of the best productivity apps for 2023. Highly recommended to anyone. Notion is an all-in-one online workspace that helps teams collaborate on content. A centralized, customizable platform allows users to organize data, switch views, share information, integrate tools, and automate workflows to meet their specific project management needs in one application. People and companies choose Notion to save time and minimize cost while gaining visibility into their works, improving collaboration, and increasing organizational efficiency. Whether you're a student, a designer, a solopreneur, or have a small team collaborating on multiple projects, there is a free forever plan with full features to get you started. The best thing about Notion is that it keeps you organized. Each block is a Notion object that can be dragged and dropped anywhere on the page to change the page structure. Notion doesn't restrict the structure of your page, so you can customize them as you see fit. A lot of information on the page can be overwhelming, but not with Notion. Collapsible arrows hide a lot of information and should only be expanded when you explicitly want to access the information. Tables are very powerful and super useful for project management. In addition to task name and details, you can add a due date, a status, priority level, and anything else you want to save for later references. These columns can be filtered in various ways, so you can always see only the information you need. The rest are hidden. Notion offers multiple views for project management, including timelines, boards, and calendars. Plan your project in board view and add a timeline to view your page to see how your tasks relate to each other. Best habit tracker app. HabitsGarden is a gamified habit tracker to fight procrastination and help you improve real-life habits. It gamifies your life by giving you flavor as reward for your real-life tasks. The more you stay accountable, the bigger your HabitsGarden is. Best Notes app. Obsidian. Note-taking is an exercise in putting thought into words, and everyone has their way of thinking. So note-taking requires flexibility. Obsidian is the most flexible note-taking app on the market. For software, flexibility usually means that the tool can be adjusted to your liking, but it also means that you have to spend a lot of time customizing it. If you want a note-taking system that works the way you want it to and doesn't mind the time it takes to get there, Obsidian is the first app to try. Best time tracker app. Boosted. I use Boosted all the time and it's indispensable to my workflow. It's a simple and manual time tracker that keeps you on track and motivated. I found Boosted when I was trying to figure out how can I be more effective and identify the working hours that didn't bring much value to my life and work. Best password manager app. LastPass is one of the most feature-rich password managers. With browser and desktop autofills, in-depth security checks, and an easy-to-use two-factor authentication app, LastPass stands out from other password managers. Like most quality password managers, LastPass has a strong password generator that lets you create a strong password with just one click. This LastPass password generator is customizable, so you can specify the length of the generated secure passwords and the type of characters they contain. Best communication app. Remote work and work in general is all about communication. Whether it's a recurring meeting or a regular Slack conversation, you can easily communicate in real time by default. Loom is unique among online collaboration software as it focuses exclusively on asynchronous video communication. Instead of having a live conversation with a colleague or sending a typed message, record a video that the recipient can watch at their leisure. Video messages can contain content on your screen, your face, or both. The idea is to quickly show and discuss what you're working on, give a short presentation, or just say hello. Best Contact Finder app. As marketers and business owners, we all know how important it is to grow your customer database. Most of us spend some time making new contacts. Of course, it starts with finding contacts information. One of the biggest hurdles when creating leads is trying to get email addresses from LinkedIn. ContactOut is a Google Chrome extension that makes it easy to find people's email addresses and other contact information. Just install the extension, then browse LinkedIn or GitHub as usual. Once you find a profile you're interested in, simply click the ContactOut icon to see the person's email, phone numbers, and social media accounts. But is ContactOut GDPR ready? The answer is yes. This app is compliant with all US and general data protection regulations and data protection laws. ContactOut only captures obviously public data, which in plain language means a fair game. Best PDF Reader app. Adobe Acrobat DC has a long history in the PDF editor market. This tool has had its ups and downs, but in the end, it holds its place as one of the best PDF editor out there. Many features are brought to the table. It can be a little overwhelming for some newbies, but it's still great for those who know how to use Adobe Acrobat DC. If you're looking for a simple, hassle-free PDF editor for small businesses, this is probably not the ideal choice. But for serious users who need a lot of advanced features, Acrobat DC is one of the best choices at the moment. Adobe Acrobat isn't just one of the best PDF editors on the market, it was also the original, created by Adobe 3 decades ago to standardize documents so they appear the same no matter what device or operating system it's opened on. Best storage app. With Dropbox, bring your files and cloud content with the tools your team wants to use. Easily access your team's work from your computer, mobile devices, or any web browser. Dropbox is a simple cloud storage and file sharing service. This allows you to drag files into your magical Dropbox folder and they will be synced to the cloud and all your other devices. Dropbox will continue to work this way if you want to, but the company offers much more, including backup service, tools to take screenshots and record videos of your screen, an e-signature service, an online document editor, and more. Best learning app. YouTube. There are endless learning opportunities on YouTube and there are videos on practically every topic. If you want to learn anything, there are hundreds of thousands of online sources on YouTube that will teach you how. Professors, CEOs, and self-taught experts are taking to you to help others succeed in their given fields. Okay, now let me quickly show you the main productivity system that I use to manage my entire life and businesses and use as my second brain too. The Business Hub and Superlife are the main tools and productivity system that I built in Notion. Right now, I won't talk about them in depth and only invite you to check them out until the day I create a full introduction to my productivity system. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.